subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos notification. Insert Solutions Class 9 English Chapter 2 Poem. Wind. Thinking about the poem. Question 1. What are the things the wind does in the first stanza? Answer. The wind breaks the shutters of the windows, scatters the papers, throws down the books on the shelf, tears the pages of the books and brings the rain. Question 2. Have you seen anybody winnow grain at home or in a paddy field? What is the word in your language for winnowing? What do people use for winnowing? Give the words in your language, if you know them. Answer. Yes, I have seen my grandmother winnowing grain at home. Fatakna is the word in my language Hindi for winnowing. Winnowing basket is used for winnowing. Question 3. What does the poet say the wind god winnows? Answer. The poet says that the wind god winnows crumbling houses, doors, rafters, wood, bodies, lives and hearts and then crushes them all. Question 4. What should we do to make friends with the wind? Answer. To make friends with the wind, we should build strong homes and doors. We should strengthen our bodies and make the heart steadfast. Question 5. What do the last 4 lines of the poem mean to you? Answer. The last 4 lines give a very powerful message. They say that the wind that blows weak fires is the same wind that makes strong fires flourish. This implies that the weak people are broken by forces, but the people who are strong are strengthened by those forces. So, the friendship with the wind or a strong force is good. We have to just stay strong, mentally as well as physically. Question 6. How does the poet speak to the wind, in anger or with humor? You must also have seen or heard of the wind crumbling lives. What is your response to this? Is it like the poets? Answer. The poet speaks to the wind with humor. He says that the wind crashes houses, doors, rafters, wood, bodies and lives. He says that it breaks the shutters of the windows and scatters the papers. But at the same time he also points out that the wind brings rain. He tells the readers that we must become powerful and build strong houses because the wind only damages weak things. Yes, I too have seen the wind crumbling lives on the news channels. Winds bring massive destruction. Sometimes it uproots weak trees and even claims lives of people. But as the poet says, we must try to be more powerful and build powerful structures. 2. The poem you have just read is originally in the Tamil. Do you know any such poems in your language? Answer. Yes, I have read such a poem in my language Hindi by the name Tufan. Thanks for watching. If you have new user, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. You get notification of new useful videos when upload, and also click the like button and share this link to your friends and students.
यदि आप नया यूजर्स हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए।